Well, here's the fastest way to have fresh herbs in your quail feed. For me, this is sweet basil that of course I also grow with vermicompost, right? Well, take a couple of leaves. Usually I'll take like a bunch. Okay, so some fresh herbs. Plop in the sweet basil in the microwave for a couple of, I think like less than a minute. In here, well, sometimes I put like a minute, so yeah. Let me stop and I check whether like at 15 seconds is good. Okay, it's not crispy enough, right? Dry it a bit. Try it. You gotta wait till it has that crisp. So not crispy enough. Put it back. Continue. Okay, so this is like a minute and 10 seconds. Now it's like so crispy. Yep. Plop it into a handy grinder. Well, now put in, well, kind of like squish through. Yep, this is a bit big. Okay, squish it a bit. Yeah, and mix it in. There you go. Herbs in your quail feed.